Introducing your super snug home away from home in Leeds, Austin Hall, a stellar abode sure to make your stay nothing short of perfect. Whether you prefer the privacy of a studio or the convenience of an ensuite, Austin Hall has it all. Say goodbye to daily chores with an on-site laundry and secure bike storage. Unleash your competitive spirit in the games room and socialize with fellow residents in the common area. Watch your favorite shows on the communal TV and ace your academic game with a dedicated desk space and high-speed Wi-Fi. The best part, however, is the inclusion of utility bills, making your stay super easy on your pocket. Speaking of location, Leeds College of Art and Leeds Arts University are both a short stroll away, allowing you to head home for a quick nap in between lectures. Beyond academics, staying here means you'll be in the middle of all the action, quite literally. For foodies, there's the mouthwatering cuisine of Oache Kitchen and the exotic sandwiches at Submelt, while Chic Scar Bar and Grill and the Fenton offer trendy spots to grab drinks with friends. Coffee enthusiasts can revel in the aroma of fresh brews from Crafty Cafe and Cafe No. 9. Plus, save big on time and money with various commute options conveniently located close to the stellar abode. So what's keeping you at bay? Head straight to amberstudent.com and book your perfect stay at Austin Hall Leeds today.